back from getting the cam. I had to drive to Newmarket to go get it. So I just kind of decided I was just gonna do the cam for now because I want to hear this thing start up, and I'm sure it's probably just good for startup. But I kind of want to get this thing fired up. Who knows? We'll see how it goes. I'm gonna get the cam pretty much taken out. I'm gonna get a time lapse of that, so we'll figure it out though. Socket here. I know it would have been a lot easier if I had the proper tool. She's off. Yeah, I would have done it a lot differently if I had the tool, but since this is just a junkyard build sort of deal, I was gonna scrap this thing anyways. It's gonna be pretty used abused, so we're gonna have to try and figure out how to get that socket out of there now. So that's fun. Okay guys, so I'm gonna be pulling the timing cover now. I got the 10mm out of the side of the oil pan for the lower harness that goes to your starter and everything like that. So I'm just gonna take all the other cover bolts out right now. I'm coming in through the front on this thing because it didn't have a transcooler. DeWalt drill is worn out, or the retaining C-ring around the tip of it. I don't know if it's gonna leak oil. I never drained the oil in it, so let's see about that. It's probably gonna leak oil. Oh, they don't. Pretty good. I'm gonna put all new gaskets and stuff on here. So I'm gonna clean it all up once the cover's back on it. I'm not gonna destroy it right away. Hopefully. If not, we'll rebuild it or get a new one because they're so cheap. So now I have to get a top dead center, which is gonna be pretty easy because they show you on the bottom cam or on the crank sprocket, and then they also show you on the top cam sprocket. There's going to be, one sec, let me grab my light. That's the top cam dot right there that you need to follow. And then there's one right there on the crank sprocket. So I need to go around again until I hit top dead center, which is cam gear would be 6 o'clock if you were to look at like hands on a clock. So 6 o'clock pointing down, and then your crank gear will be 12 o'clock pointing up. So I will get that done and get the cam gear off. Okay guys, now that you've got the cam all lubed up, I just used regular assembly oil. Make sure nothing binds up when it goes inside. I got the first two main channels in, and I will just put it to time lapse quickly because it's a little bit tedious. I don't like to rush in and smack it around. Okay, so the cam's in, and I can't wait to install springs because I'm still waiting on them. So I'm just gonna try and fire it up with the cam in it. I just want to see what it does. Like I said, this thing's a piece POS, so we don't need to worry about it too much. And the cam will live; it'll go in something else. Like, I'm not too worried about this engine. It served its purpose as a farm truck. And like I said, we're gonna have some fun here. So we're gonna do it for Dale, I guess. Be inspired by Cletus today. Do it for Dale. So hopefully we can get it fired up in the next little bit here. I'm gonna try and jam it together pretty quick. Well, we kind of put it together and said we're gonna send it for the YouTube for you guys, and we're gonna fire it up this way. Day stuff for it before I go. So enjoy the little chop this thing's about to do. It does idle a little weird still. Like it's not tuned or anything. Like I don't even have the accessories, the drive belt on it. So like I need a new tensioner and stuff. So we'll just give it a little idle for you guys so you can have a little teaser video of it. And maybe I'm gonna do some zoomies, order some piping to make some bends and just use those flange. Just get my buddy to TIG weld the stainless to the cast. I know that it's not ideal, but I want to make it work somehow. I want to make some zoomies out of the hood of this thing and have all 8 flappers. I know some people have done it, but let's do it too. Okay, so we're back in Farmer. I wonder what all these things were. Used to be a union truck or something, a gas truck. Everything's unhooked now, but let's get rid of fire. Merry Christmas Eve, guys. Back in the shop quickly. I got my package finally for the Farmer. Some comp dual springs. I got to get these installed probably when I get back from Florida. I'm leaving down there for 28th. So I'll be away from the shop a little bit, but I'll still be trying to film some fishing stuff. We'll be going out to the Gulf of Mexico and stuff, so it'll be pretty cool. But I'll get a little fire up video of this before I get out of here. And yeah, enjoy your guys' holidays, and we'll see you soon. Don't forget to like and subscribe.